Hello students, how are you all? Today we will study the mathematical representation of AM wave. So the mathematical representation of an AM wave. As we know that sinusoidal alternating current signals can be represented mathematically by the trigonometric function Vc is equals to Vc sine 2 pi fc into t. So we have expressed the carrier wave as Vc is equals to Vc sine 2 pi fc into. Okay, in this expression Vc represents the instantaneous value of sine wave voltage at some specific time in cycle. This Vc represents the instantaneous value of sine wave, and this Vc represents the peak value of carrier wave, and this Fc represents the frequency of carrier wave, and this T represents the particular time point time in during the AC cycle. So this is the carrier wave. Similarly, we will take the modulating signal as Vm equals to Vm sine 2 pi Fm into T. So using the mathematical expression for the carrier and the sine wave, we can create a new expression from these both equations for complete modulated wave. The modulating signal value adds to or subtract from the peak value of the carrier the instantaneous value of either envelope can be computed by the simple expression as V1 equals to Vc plus Vm. Okay, so by substituting the value of Vm, this value of Vm here in this equation, so V1 will be Vc plus Vm sine 2 pi Fm into T. So we can write the instantaneous value of the complete modulated wave V2 as V2 equals to V1 sine 2 pi Fc into T. So here we can substitute the value of V1 in this equation. We will get V2 as V2 equals to Vc plus Vm sine 2 pi Fm into T. This is the value of V1. This is the value of V1, and in multiplication there is sine 2 pi Fc into T. So V2 will be equal to, by simplifying this equation, Vc into sine 2 pi Fc into T plus Vm sine 2 pi Fm into T multiply with sine 2 pi Fc into T. So here we can see that this equation represents the carrier this one Vc sine 2 pi Fc into T, and this equation represents the modulation and this is multiplied with the carrier. So this expression consists of two parts. The first part is simply the carrier, and the second part is the carrier wave multiplied by the modulating signal waveform. This is the carrier wave multiplied by the modulating waveform. So it is the second part of expression that is characteristics of the AM. Okay, so this is the expression for the mathematical representation of an AM wave. Here Vc is the carrier and Vm is the message signal. So this is the instantaneous value of modulating signal, and here we have put the value of Vm in this V1. So we have got V2 as the value of modulated signal. So by putting the value of V1 in this expression, we got this expression, final expression, the mathematical representation of AM. This consists of two parts. The first part is carrier and second part is modulated signal multiplied by message signal multiplied by the carrier. So this part shows the modulated wave, the characteristics of the modulated wave.